Hello everyone, Sat Sri Akal ji ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ. Welcome you all to the live session of Brocade Studio for today, the 12th of March. So today again we have come up with a very unique and new design, the theme of which is again flowers, leaves, keeping in mind the current running season, spring. And we have made a formal outfit based on this theme. This particular outfit is a part of our spring summer collection formals 2021. So let's go ahead with the details. We get all kinds of queries regarding the fabrics that we use. So let's start with the fabric of this suit first. This is a crepe suit. Shirt is crepe, as well as the bottom is also crepe. You can choose from using a natural crepe or a pure crepe as per your choice, your color customization. And the dupatta here that we have used is pure organza with zari work. As you can see, thin lines of golden zari all over. This dupatta is dyed tastefully in two shades, a contrast yellow and a green color, same as the suit. The kera of the shirt has a very unique design placement in gottapatti, little bit of resham, nalki and patchwork. And here also we have given a very pretty contrast of yellow and grey along with this leaf green color. The placement of the embroidery is pretty unique. It's unsymmetrically placed all over the kera, goes right up to the waist. Similar work is also given on the sleeves with the same kind of patchwork. Nalki work is given and resham is given. And the neckline of the shirt is also enhanced with hand embroidery. So this is how the complete shirt looks like. Thank you everyone for joining us. Thank you Navjeet ji for joining us. We get all kinds of compliments and very nice ones indeed for the finishings of our dupatta, for the work on our dupatta, because normally when there is work on the shirt, the dupattas are kind of ignored. They are normally plain. So, but we kind of have tried to break this notion that the dupattas can't be heavy, rich and elegant at the same time. So here we have given an organza dupatta which is shaded in colors of a lovely wheat yellow and green. Not only that, it is embroidered all over, as you can see, in gota and zari. This embroidery runs all over the dupatta. Plus it is also enhanced with sippi work. Not to miss the beautiful tissue finishing, ever elegant, evergreen, very soft and very easy to carry, that is given on all four sides of the dupatta. So this particular outfit is a must for your summer outings, for your formal functions, with the onset of the wedding season, for all our dear clients in USA, Canada. This is one piece that you cannot afford to miss this time. Please get back to us for any more details that you would like to have regarding the fabric, regarding color customizations, any details regarding this, the embroidery on the suit. We'll be glad to answer all your queries at our earliest convenience. You can contact us via Facebook, via Instagram. We are there by the name of Brocade Studio. You can also contact us via WhatsApp or FaceTime All our details are given on the pages. Or you can just very simply drop in a comment here under the video and we will get back to you with all the details of this pretty outfit. That's all for today. Hope everyone is having a great day ahead. That's all for now. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.